Hello there, how are you doing? This is another look of the 7 Day 7 Eye Looks, the violet themed, and this is another simple, easy-ish to do. It's actually easy, so I will show you how to do it right now. I will be using these 3 eyeshadow palettes. First of all, I will use this yellow shade. You barely see it. I will grab this shade here. It was just for darkening that area, give a tiny bit of shadow because it's slightly darker. And now I will use this shadow here in the outer part of the lid. I'll grab this palette again and I will apply this shade. I will use this shade just to blend them together. Well, now I will wet the brush and I will apply this shade here as a highlighter in the inner corner and under the brow bone. And that's how you create this eye look. I hope to see you in the next one.